This 2026 Winnebago Thrive 26FKD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front kitchen, mid-bath, mid-living area, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Winnebago Thrive 26FKD is 7,470 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.